What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on day 39 now of this beginning 5K program. You guys are doing fantastic, so let's get moving. All right, I hope you all had a good rest. Today is a workout day, so I'm going to hand you right over to Coach Robin.
Hi guys, I hope you had a great day yesterday, taking some time off, resting, recovering. My legs feel really good after all the rolling and self-massaging I did. So I'm going to talk to you about that on Friday. But you know, hopefully you got something good done yesterday where you let your legs rest or recover, okay? Anyway, we know what's on tap today. Same thing as Monday and Tuesday. We're just going to go out and we're going to run 2 miles. We're going to try to run the whole thing without stopping. We're going to do it slow and easy. We're going to stop only if we have to. Okay, guys? If you have to stop, that's fine, but try just to do it only if you have to. All right? I got my water. I got my protection, and I hope you're prepared too. And I'm going to get this done. I'll see you afterwards. Hey guys, another great run. Great job. Really proud of you. I know I keep giving you high fives, but I'm going to give you another one. That was actually a high 10, right? You deserved it. You deserve a high 10. Great job getting it done. Running 2 miles, not walking if you don't have to, and if you did, all right too. So tomorrow, as you know, is Friday. That's our rest day, and I'm going to come talk to you about recovery. And then we got Saturday. And the thing about this Saturday is not a bump up day, all right? We're keeping it at 2 miles. So how about that? Not making you bump it up this Saturday. So it's not called Bump Up Saturday anymore, at least not this week. So we have 2 miles on Saturday, but first let's get through Friday. Anyway, have a great one. Good job getting it done, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. You guys are done with day 39, and day 40 is tomorrow. You guys are going to knock out this 5K before you know it. And if you like this program, make sure you click on that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified every time we put out a healthy living video. And also, if you know anybody who can use a 5K program, make sure that you share this program with them. We have the whole playlist there from day 1 all the way up to, you know, going to keep going until we have all 70 days in there. So there'll be 70 days in there, and anyone who wants to run a 5K program, go in, click on day 1, they start it, next day they click on day 2, and they keep going until that 70 days is over and they've got their 5K in the bag. So make sure you share it, and we will see you tomorrow. Get ready. And tomorrow is actually a rest day, but get ready because Coach Robin has some things to say. And we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. See you. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.